Good morning, student. Today we will study the next topic from the chapter Drugs Acting on Central Nervous System. IV anesthetics. These anesthetics, which are given by intravenous route, these are non-volatile substances. Example: barbiturate, thiobentone, non-barbiturate, ketamine. Advantages of IV anesthetics: ease of administration, induction is rapid and smooth, post anesthetic complications are rare, fast recovery, respiratory and myocardial function remain unaffected, no irritation of respiratory tract. Next topic is local anesthetics. These are agents which causes loss of sensation in localized area without affecting consciousness by blockage of nerve impulses. Ideal properties of local anesthetics: it should be soluble in water and lipid, it should be non-irritant, direction should be reversible and persist long enough till operation end. It should not be habit forming, it should have vasoconstriction action, it should not cause damage to nerves, it should effective on topical as well as parenteral administration, and last one, it should possess quick onset of action. Classification: first class ester type, in that benzoic acid ester, example cocaine, amylococaine. Second class para-amino benzoic acid ester, procaine and benzocaine. Second class amyl type, acetanilide derivative, example xylocaine, quinoline derivatives, example cincocaine. Mechanism of action: local anesthetics act on outer part of cell membrane. Local anesthetics reduce membrane permeability of sodium, which is extracellular cation, and potassium, which is intracellular cation. Calcium ions control passage of sodium across the cell membrane. Local anesthetics prevent binding of calcium to membrane, interfere with transport of sodium across the cell membrane. Thus, by increasing sodium transport, local anesthetic reduce threshold potential, propagation of action potential across nerve is blocked. Techniques of application of local anesthetics: first one is topical or surface anesthesia, applied in the form of ointment, cream or powder direct to the site, contraindicated for mucous surface, damaged skin, wound and burns. Drugs: lignocaine, amethicane. Application: to reduce pain, itching of ulcer, fissure and hemorrhoids. Second type, infiltration anesthesia. The nerve endings are anesthetized by their direct exposure to drug. Drug is procaine, lignocaine. Application: minor operation. Third one is nerve block anesthesia. The drug is injected in surrounding area of operation or mixed nerves. And last one is spinal anesthesia. Drug is injected into subarachnoid space. After administration, drug reaches to spinal nerve and dorsal root of ganglia. Duration of spinal anesthesia increased by addition of 0.2 ml of 1 is to 100 1 is to 1000 solution. Application in obstetrics in gynecological surgery. Drug is lignocaine. Difference between general anesthetics and local anesthetics. General anesthetic, the site of action is CNS, the whole body is involved, consciousness is lost, it is risky in poor health patient, these can be administered in non-cooperative patient, and last one, major surgeries are performed. Local anesthetics, the site of action is peripheral nerve, restricted area involved, consciousness is unaffected, it is safer in poor health patient. These can't be administered in a non-cooperative patient. Minor surgeries are performed.